Psychosomatics. Causes of pneumonia, bronchitis, cough, hacking attacks. The lungs represent the ability to take and give. Lung problems arise from our unwillingness, our fear of living fully. Some thoughts and emotions are literally pressing on the chest and do not let breathe freely. Severe lung disease is a manifestation of a hidden subconscious unwillingness to live in this world. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is caused by despair faded from life, emotional wounds. Bronchitis. Bronchitis is a reflection of unspoken anger and grievances. In the family is a very nervous situation. There is no peace and harmony, arguments, shouting, swearing. Children are very sensitive indicators of the atmosphere in the family. They immediately react with appear respiratory diseases. Coughing is the urge to shout to the world and make yourself known. Look at me, listen to me. In this case, you need to learn to express your feelings. Do not suppress emotions. Dare to say what you think. In some cases, coughing acts as a kind of break. If voicing your satisfaction and criticism out loud, coughing can hold back, helping to maintain good relationships with others. Hacking attacks strong fear of life. Distrust of life leads to spasm of the respiratory tract, can arise from the fear of loss of invested money, for example in business commerces. Greed in relation to money can be compared to gluttony. The body gains extra kilos, but each time it becomes harder and harder for a person. And finally, what a man has made his reason deteriorate, what he's clinging to is clinging him. Money should not be treated as an end, but as a means. Also, in this case, you need to let go of the situation in which you were infringed in money. This is offended. If there are attacks of suffocation, it is worth considering a change of occupation with a state income.